The big challenges was we were monitoring a wide variety of sensor data with different temporal patterns, different sampling rates, noise was completely different from a pressure or temperature type sensor data to a vibration data. And and also the operational mood changes, set point changes. So all of these meant that building these models and optimizing them was a challenge because we couldn't follow one blueprint, let's say, for optimization. We had to focus on multiple different hyperparameters of, let's say, an LSTM to depends on the signal type. In that case, SigOpt certainly came in very handy because we could quickly get, for example, prioritization of which of the hyperparameters are kind of more relevant across a type, sensor type, and help us to kind of narrow down a little bit of our guess range, let's say, for a similar type of sensor data that we would receive in future. I don't know if Alex mentioned that, but for typically we were optimizing about 50 or 40, 50 sensor LSTM basically per equipment. So narrowing down the span of hyperparameter was very key for us. And also knowing on which hyperparameters to focus on was another major uses of SigOpt.